Golden Knights have always had a tight locker room in its 3 years of existence, but with the pandemic, the quarantine, and the unusual season that the players are currently in, those bonds have only seemed to grow stronger. Chemistry is important to winning, and there's little question the Golden Knights players are on the same page. Nearly everyone stayed in Las Vegas during the quarantine, working out individually while communicating technologically. It allowed them to be ahead of the game when players were let back onto the ice in Phase 2.
This is an organization that wants to win. We all want to win the Stanley Cup. We figured that we best stay in shape if we're going to get back playing and give ourselves the best chance to win. What's not to like? You come to this great facility, you leave, you got this great city, and then you get a chance to compete for the Stanley Cup. So we wanted to be ready.
As a group, I think we really try to focus on getting back and staying in shape as best as we could whenever the season was going to come back. Being able to spend our time in Vegas and have such a big group here really helped us during Phase 2. To have good practices and to be able to skate with each other and really push each other. So I think that gives us a huge edge.
Head coach Peter DeBoer said he wasn't sure what kind of shape the team would be in when he arrived at training camp, but his expectations were greatly exceeded. Mark Stone says that comes down to culture.
This is one of the strongest locker rooms I've ever played with, if not the strongest. There's one goal and one goal only, and that's winning the Stanley Cup.
Stone added that at the end of the day, the best team will win the Stanley Cup, whether it's coming off a 3-month layoff or a 3-day layoff. And the Golden Knights are putting themselves in prime position to make a run. Kevin Bollinger, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.